Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analysis, a channel where I teach you how to use RStudio for data analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do hierarchical clustering, a technique for finding groups of similar observations in your data. Hierarchical clustering is a type of unsupervised learning, which means that you don't need any labels or categories for your data. You just let the algorithm group observations based on their similarity. One of the benefits of hierarchical clustering is that you can choose the number of clusters based on a dendrogram, which is a graphical representation of the clusters. To do hierarchical clustering in RStudio, you need two packages, factoextra and cluster. Then, you need to scale your data and use the agnes function from the cluster package. You can also choose the method for measuring the distance between clusters. To see and interpret your clusters, you can use a dendrogram, which you can plot using the phys_dend function from the factoextra package. To get different numbers of clusters, you can cut the dendrogram using the qtree function from the base R package. To check the quality of your clusters, you can use metrics like the silhouette coefficient, the Dunn index, and the Kolinsky-Harabas index. You can calculate and plot these metrics using functions from the factoextra package. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data analysis tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.